Woohoo! Go, ladies! Take off the shirt.
Ho! 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 Ho!
Hey, back to the middle.
Punches.
Look at them chaps. Oh, hey, hey. Right, but I don't know if that's a good idea.
It's a good idea.
I'm gonna put it.
It's a good idea.
Where's mine? Hello, did you take this picture?
No? Right there.
Oh, I
But she's doing all the punches.
He told me I could kill it. I said, can I kill it? And he with no answer.
Hey, keep moving your head. Keep moving. Keep moving.
Jacob.
He got me pretty good right here. Drink is mad.
You did good, man.
He's like 2 times fast by
I can't even.
You better not post that.
She wants me to send it to her.
You can definitely punch hard. That's for good.
And plus, isn't your mom's not even friends with
Thank
me?
you, Lord, man. It's pretty hard.
She could.
She can see.
Yeah.
Ooh! Knockout!
No, it was Lisa.
Another one!
She was like,
Okay, back up!
I was like,
She was gonna like.
Come to the center! Reset!
they were all fucking created.
We're just like, you think Maisie will write you? I'm like, no way Maisie would do that.
I don't know.
I know.
I take the blame.
I'm not taking the blame. Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Wait, what? What did I do?
Nothing.
You never tell me shit.
Oh shit.
I agree.
Oh god.
Good, keep going!
Oh god. You know who's so hard to kill?
Punch to the face.
Your hat is over there.
Look at her name, is Mary. I think it's a sexy name.
She's gonna be like, what'd you do? And I'll be like,
No.
Mom. Guys, not even.